Residential general contractors can typically be unreliable, and we wanted to change that. So I remember when I bought my first house, and it was the late 90s, and I had a guy that was going to come over and fix some siding for me. First, it was impossible to find that guy. And then when he did show up and he did communicate back with me, he was gone. He said he'd show up on a Tuesday, didn't show up till Friday. It was just a rough experience. And I thought back on that when I embarked on starting Detroit Build, and I said, there's got to be a better way. And it starts with communication and transparency and an overall partnership with clients. It's not us against them. We charge them, they try to get it for as cheap as possible. We're two groups coming together with a common goal. People deserve something better. People deserve to be able to communicate with the people that are going to be working on their home. Being in business my entire life, I wanted to rethink the entire process of general contracting. And when I looked at it objectively, what I found is people are really just looking for somebody that they can trust. We created Detroit Build to be a different kind of contractor. We do just about everything. We do a lot of remodels, a lot of kitchens and bathrooms, additions, roofs, but honestly, with the exception of serious landscaping, we really do everything. One of the things that makes us different from other contractors is that most of the people that work for us on a daily basis are employees. They're not subcontractors. We've built a team of men and women that go into people's homes and they make them feel comfortable. And that's important to me because I want people to have a good experience. And I think that that's what we've created. People deserve to get a return phone call. I think people deserve to see what their end product is going to look like from the beginning. We want people to look back on the process and not only love the end product, but also appreciate the experience. I think that's something people deserve. So reach out to us and let's start a project together.